Hey everyone, hope all is good with you. Today I just started to test Copilot Cowork and I really liked some features in it. So let me tell you what I have done today using it. I have given it three requests and the third one is just a request I asked my business admins to do today and I found out that I can completely automate it. So the first task I have given it is related to my CRM. I have built my CRM through SharePoint lists, multiple lists that are connected together to a Power Apps app. I will show you here. Then I have connected this database to an Excel sheet that is connected with Copilot agent here that is called the CRM agent. And I can ask this CRM agent to do whatever, like let's say projects at risk. And it will research only the database that I have given it, so it will tell me the projects that are at risk from my CRM database. So I don't have to go review things individually or separately. Going back to our topic, which is co-work, I have given co-work the same task to review this week most important topics that I have to follow up with, the most important projects, milestones, or leads. The advantage is that it has also access to all resources within my Microsoft account and it can really run a deep search. So as you see by some tasks right now, it has taken 36 minutes, which is perfect and great because I don't just need data based on my CRM. I need also data that is based on my CRM, but to be verified with my mail threads, with my team's chats and messages, while ensuring it will run a deep search, because in the normal Copilot agents, it was giving me a fluff replies, generic replies that doesn't make a lot of sense to me, to be honest. The second task I have asked it to do is a scheduled, allow me to show you here, not that far. Yeah, is to weekly run. I asked it to give me a weekly report of what was in the past week, if there is any consideration, any projects to follow up with, any milestones or any leads that I have to track. So it should send me a daily report. The reason I'm trusting this is that it really takes its time. As I just presented, it's taken in a research more than 30 minutes and it's still counting, which is good because it's given really good answers. The task number three. Today I have asked my business admins to follow up with my dead leads and dead customers. I mean with dead, the ones that we are not speaking to for a long time. So I asked them to follow up with them. So I have extracted my clients from my SharePoint lists into a nice Excel sheet. So, and then I have given it to the co-work agent. The magic is it could say, when was the last time we have interacted with this client? The day is silent um, since we interacted with that client based on the chats and teams, the mail threads. It didn't stop here. I have given a list of the users and their emails with three different templates to follow up with my customers, and it really has done it in a very nice way. I will show you right now a sample of how this is working through a dummy data, and it's testing data, and I will ask it to send three different templates. Templates I'm sending to my customers are saved in my OneNote. I I will tell I need also to send them three different templates, and group. I will send them a security template that I'm using for my outreaching. Another one, another group. I'm going to send them my Power Platform service where I build applications in Power Platform. And the third template is going to be, let's say, our third one is our Teams phone system service. Okay. And let's see the magic together. It has started testing them and presenting them. You can queue tasks. It's asking me the assignment split evenly and randomly. It's completely fine. And you can queue tasks to be answered later, ignore it, it will ignore them. They doesn't make any sense. But the good thing about it that you can queue a lot of tasks even after posting your main prompt. I'm waiting for it. It's adding security email batch to Power Apps emails. It's sending. Unfortunately, it's going to send them because I just allowed all send to all their customers. However, I just wanted to show you a sample too. So this is all about Cowork. If you're interested in more content like this, just let me know, and I will be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.